Okay, so what we have here is a little video that I'm making on the Nano scale model railroad that I put into this little decorative wooden box. The lid isn't fully closed. I'm going to show you when I open it. Picked up this little box. I believe it was at Hobby Lobby. And we'll open it up and I will show you what's inside. And it is our little village. And we have our little mountain, our tunnel. We have our little trestle bridge for the train, a sailboat sailing along the imaginary little pond and river. We have our little waterfalls coming down, the other entrance to the tunnel. And then, of course, we have our little city, and you can see the train. And what we will do is we will plug this thing in and get it going. It takes about, about 30 seconds to about a minute for the receiving unit to pick up the message and the magnetic impulse to start the train. It'll start whistling and it'll play some Merry Christmas music, and then it'll start. But I picked up the train and the tracks for about $68. You can purchase this at Teeny Trains, and they've got different other type of units. I wanted to get just the train and the tracks. I wanted to be able to make a unit up myself, so I could, make this portable. I work at a hospital. Oh, there we go. So the train is getting ready to roll. Here we go. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoy the little train. Till next time.